So here's the stainless steel kit that I got. It comes with a base coat, a top coat, and it also comes with this handy little sponge brush to get a really smooth cover of the paint. So first I'm going to correct this stainless steel sink. I don't want to get rid of the sink because the drains are all rusty. So first I cleaned it up and I dried it off before I applied the first layer of the stainless steel paint on it. Just made sure that it was really nice and dry. And then there's the base coat that I'm shaking up pretty well. You have to make sure that all the little stainless steel particles are well dispersed because it's actual stainless steel that you're painting on there. So I just used a regular hairbrush and I painted on a very thin coat. You paint on a thin coat at a time, let it dry. I used a hair blow dryer to let it dry in between coats. And then you can see that it really covers up the rust nicely. Gets a really good coverage. Looks almost new. Not quite, but almost. And there you see is the other side that's unpainted, so you can compare the two. And so then I just made sure it was really dry before I applied the top coat to it. So I used a hair blow dryer, of course. And then I applied the top coat pretty liberally. I really dabbed that stuff on because I wanted to make sure that it's not going to wear away very easily. It's going to be a few years before I need to do this again. And then for my second project, I took a rusty bumper of a truck that we're attempting to sell. It's this really cool 72 Chevy. And then you can see I applied several layers of the stainless steel coat to the bumper. And I used the sponge to do that this time so I could get a smoother finish. I didn't really have to get into the cracks of the drain, so I could use the stainless steel sponge. And you can see how light each coat is. I applied probably about 5 coats of paint to this. And then of course the top coat. And this thing is going to be out in the weather, so I put a great deal of the top coat on this. And it's held up for several months now. This is a really great product. Here's the finished bumper. I think it looked really sharp and it's held up quite well. Thanks for watching.